I guess it is going the right way. Ooh, I just need to pale that out. There we go. I look tired. Why? It's only 8 o'clock at night. I have to be up at crazy o'clock. Not quite crazy o'clock, but pretty close. Oh, it keeps wanting to go down. Terrible tonight. Yuck. Do I want to do this? Yeah, I want to do this. Yes. Warts and all. That's that bad. Well, I do have my masking. It's like driving me nuts. Okay, warts and all. Hi everyone and welcome back to ms.craftsalots Lair. I am Barbie. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Beloit, Wisconsin, and today I am here to go over, well, I wanted to do a quick Q&A, but before I get to that, I wanted to say I am sorry for being so absent in the last few weeks. Again, still, my craft room is still coming together. Let me go the right way. I discovered that I could do this. And so it turns out really nice, and I actually kind of really like how that came out. Still have to fill it with stuff, but it's there and it's sort of getting there. But life has been pretty crazy because, as you know, I'm a multi-crafter and I have my Etsy shop and I do other stuff other than just paper crafting. And so with the holidays coming up, I am getting orders a ton, so that's a good thing. But with how crazy things have been recently and within this last year, another thing about the whole paper crafting thing for me and getting down and actually making videos on my paper crafting is that I did not get anything new out of the winter. Usually it's the holiday catalog is what they call it. But I haven't gotten anything new out of that particular catalog, and so I'm kind of feeling a little on the inferior side. Like, I don't have enough new stuff that you guys probably want to see. You don't want to see all the same old stuff over and over and over again. But I am going to be putting in a pre-order for the occasions catalog and the celebration catalog, and let me just tell you that if you are wanting to have a party, online party, by all means, I am open. I have all of my weekends are pretty much open right now to have parties, because you are going to want to catch the celebration while you can. This year they're changing it up. It's usually January, well, it was previously January through March. This year they're going to be changing it up, so it's January and February, and then going away and then coming back with new stuff and a different celebration catalog in I want to say June and July. So it'll give you like a little bit of a double play, you know, double time to earn free stuff, because if you are not familiar with celebration, you can earn free product with every $50 or $100 purchase. So it is a great time to stock up on stuff, and it's a great time to see all the Easter and spring, birthday, Mother's Day, Father's Day is in there. It's a great time to stock up on those stamp sets too. But yes. So here in a second, I will show you, because the question the Q&A that I am going to be tackling tonight is the how I store my stamps pads, my ink pads, and my stamp sets. So I will totally admit that it's not technically Stampin' Up, but it gets the job done. So I don't want to make this video super long, but I am planning on coming back with videos and more tutorials and such. Probably I'm going to give them a little bit of a chance to get stuff to me, so probably the second or third week of December I will be able to show you stuff out of the normally Occasions catalog. It is now going to be called the January to June catalog. Yes, January to June. And then we have the July to December, which used to be called a holiday catalog. It's going to take me a little bit of time to get used to this. So if you are still having issues with the name changes and stuff, don't feel bad. It's going to be worse for me. Yeah, so I'm planning on getting back into regular videos mid-December. For the time being, I am still going to be here doing the question, Q&A videos. I'm going to try to get at least 2 a week done. So I'm not guaranteeing days because, like I said, my schedule is crazy. Trying to get all this stuff done and getting everything shipped out and sent out and to its rightful owners. Or at least the orderers, because some of them aren't and are gifts. But just trying to get all this stuff done is just kind of crazy and is definitely taking up quite a bit of my time. But yes. But yeah, I'll be trying to do my Q&As at least twice a week, so then that way you guys are up to date as to what's going on, and then I can also interject, little bits and pieces of what I know, also as far as what my schedule looks like and how things are going. But I am thankful for each and every one of my subscribers. So if you are a subscriber, thank you. And if you are not yet a subscriber and you just happen to either click on this because you're like, how do you store your stamp pads? Or you are just the one that, if you're like me and autoplay, welcome. And always hit that subscribe button down. Yeah. Hit the subscribe button. Anywho, without further ado, I will show you how I store my stamp pads and stamp sets, and I'll probably share links in the comment or in the description below as to where I got these, because yeah, they're cool and they work, and if I can save some money on stamp set storage or ink pad storage, that means that I can get more stamps and more fun stuff. So I will take you off of my tripod here and I will show you what I do. This is what I use to store my ink pads, my Stampin' Pads, and this is actually they're both DVD racks. This one I like. Let me take the Merlot out. This one I like because it has the bar all the way across. My original one was actually unplug here. Was actually this particular DVD rack, and this didn't have this one doesn't have that bar across the front. So I actually used skewer sticks to go across and hold it in, and I had them all like kind of duct taped in there and wrapped around. But I they were still, the skewers would bend in half, and I didn't exactly, back up a little bit more here, I didn't exactly like how the skewer sticks looked. So in searching Amazon and Walmart.com, I found this one, and I also have, let me show you this real fast here. I also have my markers all in their own little container here. So the Brights collection, Neutrals collection, Regals, and Subtles. And then in this one, these two, I have my, there we go, get you in camera here. These two larger ones, which are the wood mount cases, because this is the regular stamp case, and then this is the wood mount case. This is where I keep my in colors. So I think I have covered my in colors before. If I have not, that will be coming up here. I know I recorded the video. I don't know if I went through it the whole thing. But yes. So the stamp pads, or the stamp sets, the clear and the photopolymer both come in the DVD style cases. So just plop them in your DVD holder, and they're right there. I have, if I can show you this real quick, I have them, without showing too much of my mess, because my craft room is still a mess, but I have my stamp pads and my stamp sets right here so that I can just easily just pluck them off my nice messy desk, pluck them off and take them right to my workspace. And I'm trying not to move too fast for you guys either, but I can just pluck them off, take them right to my workspace, work on them, and put them right back. So that is how I store my stamp pads and my stamp cases, or my stamp sets. Yes. So I hope that this was enough information for you. If you needed some more information, feel free to comment below, and I will get to your questions at a later time. Have a wonderful night. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this project, please like, share, subscribe, and watch more. You can find links to my Stampin' Up! Store, blog, dimensions, and the product list in the description below. Until next time.